Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create VPC. For that, to create the VPC, first you have to select the region where do you want to deploy your AWS services. Okay. So in the right top corner, you can select the drop down list. So you can see there are number of availability regions. So AWS region is nothing but where AWS services are available. So if you go to North Virginia, Ohio, and California, Oregon, Mumbai, and Osaka, these are the availability regions. Okay. So here I'm going to select the Ireland region. Here I'm going to create my VPC. For that, what I'm going to do is just go through services over here. In the search bar, just type VPC. It is going to list out the virtual private cloud. This is nothing but you are going to create your own cloud on AWS cloud. Okay. So once you go to the VPC dashboard, here you can see create VPC option, or else you can go to the VPC dashboard again. In the left side corner, you can see your VPCs, right? So here you can see the create VPC option. Just click on it. So once you click on, it is going to show create VPC dashboard. So here you can see VPC settings. First one VPC only and VPC and more. So if you want to create subnets and route tables along with this VPC, then you can select VPC. So here I am going to show you creating VPC only. That's why I selected VPC. So to create the VPC, you have to name the VPC. So here I am going to give any name. You are also give any name for your requirement. Here I am going to create PVC, prod VPC, and after that you have to select type if your CIDR block. So this is the default one, let it be, don't do anything. After that you can give the CIDR value for this. Now I'm going to show you how to calculate this value. Let me define the CIDR value first, and IPv6 CIDR, don't let it be the default value, don't do anything. After that you can tenancy and default tenancy and dedicated tenancy, right? What is the default tenancy means? So in this default tenancies, everybody can share the default tenancy resources. Dedicated means so the AWS service is going to allocate some AWS resource for your account only. So where the people cannot share the same host or anything. So I am going to share the default one. Everybody will select the default only. After that, scroll down and tags. You can give any naming convention for your VPC. For that, what you have to do is just click on VPC and you can name for this tenancy. Okay, let me give any name for this one. I am giving ENV and prod. So like that you can give the tags. We can later videos we can discuss what is the use of tags. Okay, and then after that you can create VPC button. So now the VPC is created. This is the idea of this VPC. Okay, this is the name of VPC. So after that go to actions. Here edit VPC settings and you have to select enable DNS host name. Okay, let's save this one. This is how you are going to create VPC in our AWS account. Let me show you how to calculate CIDR value. So what we have done is we have created one VPC. We named it prod VPC. So in this prod VPC only you can create any services like instances, deploying services, anything. So for that what we have to define. Now I'm going to calculate the CIDR value, nothing but the number of hosts where we can deploy the instances in this VPC. That is CIDR value is 10. This is the value we have taken, right? Now I will show you how to calculate this value. If you observe each IP address divided into four parts, right? Each each IP have four parts. Each part is called octants. Each octant is 8 bits. So that means, let me show you. Here we have 10.0.0.0. Each part 8 octants as we discussed. Plus 8 plus 8. So each part is 8 bits. Okay. Total number of bits equal to 32. Every IP address have 32 bits. Okay. To calculate the number of hosts, we have the one formula. Number of hosts for this IP CIDR value, number of hosts equal to, we have one formula, that is 2 to the power of number of bits minus number of network bits. So here we have 16. 16 going to denote the number of network bits. From this formula, what we have, 2 to the power of 32 minus 16, right? 16 is network bits. This is the 16 bits network bits going to. So to calculate the number of hosts, what we have, 32 minus 16. What is that? The value will be 16. And what we have, formula 2 to the power of 16. Okay. So total number of bits minus total number of network bits. Suppose, let me show you the first I have to show the 2 to the power of value. Let me calculate 2 to the power of 16 height. So total number of hosts we can define in this VPC is 65. These many hosts we can define in this IP address. Let me show you one more IP address, 10.0.0.0 What we have? We have one formula, total number of hosts equal to 2 to the power of total number of bits, right? Minus total number of network bits. So hosts equal to 2 to the power of total number of hosts how many? 32, right? After that total number of given for this one is 26. Now 32 minus 26 equal to 2 to the power of 6, right? So calculate the 2 to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 6 value 64. So for this IPC CIDR we can define 64 hosts. Okay. This is how you are going to calculate the CIDR value. Thank you. Thank you for watching. In the next videos, I'm going to show you how to create subnets and route tables.